Hello! Please ignore my background noise. My computer's running super hot because it's extremely hot in here. My air conditioner is broken, but I'm persevering onward, and I'm going to show off a text box system. So, not just a text box system, but a branching text system. It's something that I created from scratch recently for a project that I'm working on that you're going to get to see a little sneak peek of here. So, there's going to be dialogue with characters that look something like this. And as you walk near them, they light up, and then you can press X to talk to them. It'll show up on the top, and they'll say something along the lines of, "I think Paper Mario was a good game." After that, you can pick one of these options, right? Yeah, it is. Heck yeah, dude. You ever played it? You press X again. I have. You should watch me play it sometime. It's a good game. Or you can walk up and go a completely different route. Bad taste. I'm going to kill you with my bare hands. I am not scared of you. You should be. It's a good game. Or alternatively, you can, have different responses. I am scared of you. You should be. It's the same response to a different dialogue option. So, how did I create this, and why am I even making a video about it? It's simple. I created the user interface here that allows me to create these systems without having to fiddle with much code at all. So it works on a system of statements and responses is what I call them. So a statement can be a question or a statement, something that is dialogue that the person you're talking to says, something along the lines of, have you ever heard of Updog? And then you can create a series of responses, like let's say there are 3 responses to it. No, I haven't. What's up, dog? Up, dog. Or you can say, this is a dumb joke. Or you can say, no, but I think Joe has. Right? And then you can hold right click and create connections between this and these, meaning that this dialogue will yield these potential responses, right? This statement will yield these potential responses. You can order them in any way you want, and the tree, which you saw earlier, you can move this thing around to edit the tree, to create a very big tree. So, and then you can create more statements to which they go. No, I haven't. What's up, dog? Can result in, like, ha 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 ha. Well, that's actually supposed to loop. Why doesn't that loop? Oh, because it's one word. Ha 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 ha. Okay, and then nothing much, dog. What is up with you? And then, so, no, but I think Joe has can result in, who is Joe? And then you can say, Joe Mama. And then, hey man, fuck you. Right, can be that response. But also, if you say this is a dumb joke, that can also lead to, hey man, fuck you. So this is pretty simple, right? Now what I'm going to do is a Control S, and then I'm going to go into this file here, and this dialogue tree file here is going to have created 2 arrays, statement and responses. The system automatically punched that out when I hit Control S, when I saved it. So, I go in here to this other project, and I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste just these 2 arrays, and then I'm going to run it again. And what you're going to see is that the dialogue of those characters has dynamically changed to represent, instead of the things that I had on there before, it's got this new set of dialogue that, have you ever heard of Updog? No, but I think Joe has. Who is Joe? Joe Mama. Hey man, fuck you. So there is like a myriad responses where you can say and do whatever you want, and it's expressive, it's expansive, it works really well. And what it helps you do essentially is create a text a dialogue tree that is as big as you want it to be. Now, when you hit that Control S, it's going to create two files: a dialogue tree, and then it's going to have this series of numbers is just the string for current time in Gamemaker, and then Gamemaker 1.4. And then this one here is dialogue 9, and that's actually the date and then the time. So what you can do is you can, or it's current month, I think, and then time. And then what you can do is you can change the name of this to save.sav. And then when you run this text creator again, it's already preloaded to, when you hit Control L, load whatever save file is save.sav. So, save game format has changed. Well, no, it most certainly has not. Well, excuse me. Well, what? Probably because I changed the name of the wrong, yeah, that'll be it. So I changed the name of the wrong one. So please excuse my ineptitude, and move forward with me trusting in my judgment. But then you hit Control L, and this time it's the exact one that we created. And so like, you get this really robust system, and I'm gonna keep updating it, and I'm gonna have a link for it, of course, in the download description. There's a link to the download in the description. And if you guys have any suggestions or anything, just let me know. But also check out my Patreon and my Twitter, because I'm going to have both of those linked down there as well. If you want to keep getting updates on this game that I'm working on, and if I create any more really cool like standalone systems, I'm going to also distribute those for free. So just anything that you need help with, just let me know. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day.